There is a traction in India for manufacturing coming here, and there are many reasons to it. So first is the geopolitical reason, which is known to everybody. But besides that, one of the another major advantage is our market, the domestic market in India, which is also building up in a bigger way, and it is huge.
Yeah.
Then, secondly, I would say the skilled manpower available
Okay.
in our system is the youth and the manpower availability, and that too skill is rising. I'll not say they are fully available, fully trained, but trainable youth are available.
Yeah.
Third is the policy support of the government, which is the government is trying to push that, and we are pretty hopeful that it will be a success, wherein we will be able to get the right kind of ecosystem developed for the electronics industry to grow. And the last but not the least is also the digital ecosystem which is growing in our country. That is also supporting to a large extent.
No, that's a very interesting thing you mentioned, especially on the government policy support, because I actually did want to ask you about that. So, of course, the Prime Minister, since he's come into office in 2014, has been a big believer, first in Make in India, and now in the idea of a self-reliant India or Atmanirbhar India. And we've seen a number of policies, in that direction, whether it's PLIs or, electronic component manufacturing scheme. What policies do you think, have been really advantageous? How have companies that you work with, that MAIT works with, how have they reacted to them? Have they been received well? Do they feel they're in the right direction? Can you talk a bit about that?
See, it's a dual-edged question that you have asked. One is the government also has to balance the both things.
Of course.
Country and the industry both have to be balanced. And that is where the policies are made. So there are certain policies which certainly help the industry to grow. The PLIs, as you rightly brought out, they will certainly help, and some of the industries have already gained advantage. For example, the mobile industry has certainly gained from PLI, and that's why we are successful. I mean, reaching from 30 million to 200 million phones is a big number. We have been able to work on that. And that is again because of the policies which are in place, which are helping us grow. Having said that, there are other policies also, the PLI 2.0 for the IT hardware and all, which has still not taken the growth path as such, but they are tuned to, they will, they have, there's no other option. And especially when the component scheme has come in, it will complement these policies which are there earlier and help the ecosystem grow. But having said that, there are also certain policies which ensure that government purchases are from Make in India devices only, the systems only, which at times the industry feels is not right, but government has to do that to encourage the manufacturing in India. So it's both things happening simultaneously.
Yes.